Welcome to Hook Writing Explained. In this video, we're going to dive deep into one of the most critical skills for content creators, writing hooks that grab attention instantly. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, or any form of digital media, mastering the art of the hook is essential for success. By the end of the series, you'll understand exactly how to craft openings that stop viewers from scrolling and keep them engaged throughout your content. So what exactly is a hook? A hook is the opening line or first few seconds of your content designed to capture and hold your audience's attention immediately. Think of it as your invitation to the viewer. It's your chance to make them curious, intrigued, or emotionally invested enough to continue watching. The hook is not about being flashy or fake. It's about being authentic while delivering a compelling reason for someone to stick around. A great hook answers one simple question in the viewer's mind: why should I care about this content right now? Why do hooks matter so much? The statistics are clear. Most viewers decide within the first 3 to 5 seconds whether they'll continue watching or scroll away. In a world full of infinite content competing for attention, your opening moments are crucial. A strong hook increases watch time, boosts retention, improves your video's algorithm performance, and ultimately helps your content reach more people. Without a compelling hook, even the best content can go unnoticed. Think of it as the difference between a door that opens invitingly and one that slams shut. There are several types of hooks you can use depending on your content and audience. The question hook engages viewers by posing a question they want answered. For example, did you know that most creators are making this one mistake? The statement hook makes a bold, surprising, or controversial claim that makes people stop and listen. For instance, everything you know about productivity is wrong. The story hook draws viewers in with a personal anecdote or narrative. And the visual hook uses surprising imagery or effects to capture attention before you even say a word. Let's continue exploring hook types. The curiosity hook creates a knowledge gap that viewers want to fill. For example, the number one thing successful entrepreneurs do that you don't. The promise hook tells viewers exactly what they'll gain by watching. You'll learn the exact formula to double your income in 90 days. The pattern interrupt hook breaks the expected flow to grab attention, often through sudden changes in tone, music, or visuals. The shocking hook reveals surprising statistics or facts. And the relatable hook connects with viewers by acknowledging a common problem or experience they face. Every effective hook follows a simple formula with 3 components: grab, intrigue, and promise. Let's start with grab. The grab is your opening statement or visual that stops the scroll. It needs to be immediate and powerful. You have literally 3 to 5 seconds to interrupt whatever your audience is doing and make them pause. Your grab could be a surprising statement, a bold question, an unexpected sound, or a striking visual. The key is that it must be genuine and relevant to your content. It's not about tricking people. It's about respecting their attention and delivering on what you're promising. The second component is intrigue. After you've grabbed attention, you need to maintain it by building curiosity. Intrigue is what makes viewers think, I need to know more. You create intrigue by withholding the full answer, asking follow-up questions, or hinting at surprising information. For example, if your grab is a question, your intrigue deepens the mystery. If your grab is a bold statement, your intrigue provides context or hints at proof. Intrigue bridges the gap between the initial attention grab and the deeper value you're about to deliver. It's the hook within the hook that keeps momentum going. The third component is promise. This is where you tell viewers why they should keep watching. What will they learn, feel, or gain by staying until the end? Your promise answers the viewer's internal question: what's in it for me? A strong promise is specific and valuable. Instead of saying you'll learn amazing tips, say you'll discover the 5-step framework that took me 6 years to develop. The promise doesn't need to be elaborated on in the hook itself. It just needs to be clear enough that viewers know they're about to get something worthwhile. Now let's talk about the practical process of writing your hook. Step 1 is to know your audience. Define exactly who you're speaking to and what they care about deeply. What problems do they face? What excites them? What keeps them up at night? Step 2 is to identify your core message. Determine the main value or insight you're offering. What is the one thing viewers absolutely must stay for? Step 3 is to choose your hook type. Select the format that best fits both your content and your authentic personality. Different hooks work for different people and different niches. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. First, hooks are your gateway to viewer attention. Nailing the first 3 to 5 seconds is absolutely critical. Second, combine grab, intrigue, and promise for maximum impact. Each component plays a vital role in stopping the scroll and keeping viewers engaged. Third, stay authentic to your voice while meeting audience expectations. Don't try to be someone you're not. And fourth, test, measure, and iterate based on real performance data. Pay attention to your analytics, see what works, and continuously improve. Now it's time to start writing better hooks. Apply these strategies to your next piece of content and watch your engagement soar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.